0.1. Pi A you want to calculate. Pi B is given as 2p. It means pi A is coming to be 3 into 0.05 divided by 0.1 into 2p. Remove the decimals. 5 2s are 10, 2 and 2 cancelled. 3p is your correct option. So answer comes out to be C. 3p. 27th question. C is the correct option. It is 3p is the valid and correct option. C option. 28th question. Values of observed and calculated molecular mass of calcium nitrate are given. Twenty-eighth question. There is calcium nitrate given, CaNO3 whole plus. In this calcium nitrate, I factor is equal to M calculated upon M observed. You are given with calculated mass and observed mass. Observed value is given to you as 65.4 and calculated value is 164. 164 is the calculated value, 65.4 is the observed value. Degree of dissociation is our question. This is always equal to 1 minus alpha plus 3 alpha. It means 164 divided by 65.4 is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha. From this you want to calculate value of alpha, and alpha comes out to be, this ratio is 2.5. If this is coming to be 2.5, 2.5 minus 1 is 2 alpha. 1.5 is equal to 2 alpha. Alpha comes out to be 0.75. That means 75%. Your answer is 75%. 28th question. C is correct option. Now question number 29. 29th question is 0.128 molar solution of strontium chloride freezes at a temperature 0.619 degrees Celsius. Value of Van't Hoff factor for strontium chloride in this solution we want to calculate, and Kf is given to you. In 29th question, now we have strontium chloride solution is there. 29th question, strontium chloride, Van't Hoff correction I is to be calculated. We want to calculate value of I factor. Tf is given, there is minus 0.619 degrees Celsius. If Tf is given, the delta Tf is plus 0.619 degrees Celsius. Same value with opposite sign. Molality is given to you as 0.128 molar and Kf is 1.86. Kf is 1.86. These values are given Kelvin per kilogram per mole. Formula is delta Tf is I Kf m. I factor will become delta Tf divided by Kf and molality. Now delta Tf is 0.619 divided by 1.86, molality is 0.128. On solving these values, we get 2.59, that means around 2.6 option. 2.6 is the Van't Hoff correction, B beta is the answer. Last question of the test is 30th question. It is 30th question. 0.1 molar solution of K4FeCN6 freezes at a particular temperature minus 0.651 degrees Celsius. The percentage ionization of this salt in water is. Here we want to calculate alpha, that is percentage ionization, degree of dissociation, same thing. Now 30th question, it is given 0.1 molar. Molarity is given. Delta TF is given 0.651. Because TF is given to you as minus 0.651. Alpha you want to calculate. KF is given to you as 1.86. For this question, delta TF is equal to IKFM. For I factor 1 minus alpha plus, because it is K4FeCN6, K4FeCN6 is a complex salt, and in this complex 5 ions are possible. 5 ions, it means 5 alpha into KF and again molality. It becomes 1 plus 4 alpha into 1.86. Molality is 0.1. 0.651 is delta TF. 1 plus 4 alpha we can solve, and after that alpha can be solved. It comes out to be 0.625, or we can say 62.5%. Your option is A alpha for question number 30. Thank you. That's all for today's test discussion. Thank you.